take this panel down, there's 2 bolts over here. Use a 10mm socket to take those out. And there should be some more bolts over here. There might be a push pin right there, so take those out. And then slide this down, just like that. Now you're gonna want a drain bucket underneath here, and when you're doing this job, it's a good time to change your oil. So take a filter wrench, loosen up the filter. Once you get it started, you should be able to do it by hand. And let the oil drain into the bucket. Take that filter off. Take a 22mm socket and loosen this bolt up right here. And slide that out. You're gonna lose a little more oil. Now take a pick, and on the back side, just flip this over and take the seal off, just like that. You want to clean this area right here and right here. Just make sure there's no dirt in there. With that all cleaned up, take that seal, just slide it in position. That looks good. It's okay if you get a little oil on it. And slide the bolt back in. And this is keyed. There is a key at the top, so you want to make sure that key is lined up. The key is in the slot. Now I'll tighten this down. And you can torque this to 36 foot-pounds. And then you can take your oil filter, put a little oil on it. If you're changing your oil, put your new filter on. Once it's snug, go another 1/4 turn, and that's good. Slide this shield back in position. And put the bolts in. Tighten these down. And if you had bolts up here and here, here and here and here and here, put those back in. If you're changing your oil, make sure you add the appropriate amount of oil. Start the engine, let it run for about 10 seconds, shut it down, wait about a minute, and then come over and check the dipstick. Dipstick's right here. Pull it out, wipe it down with a rag. Put the dipstick back in the tube, wait a couple seconds, and then pull it out again and take a look. And you want it in between these 2 lines, preferably closer to the higher line or the higher dot right there. And adjust accordingly.